I finally got y'all a POV, and today I'm actually gonna be racing, so I'll get y'all a POV drive while we driving there, setting up, and then I'm gonna show y'all the race. I'm gonna be racing the Q50, so hey, that's all she wrote. Let's do it. I don't think Nick ready for the work. I'm finna cook his joint. Yo, we finna get lit. I'm finna cook him. I hope. It'll be crazy if I lose though. That'd be insane. What happened?
Y'all gonna line up right here, right?
Okay.
Say 3, 2, 1, and y'all go, man.
Alright. Do your hand. Like, do your hand. Cause y'all already know. Y'all already know what happens when you let your window down and race. Come on, man. You ready? Cooking him, I'm cooking him. He don't know what it is. Look at him. Ah! No way, I had to slow down. That's deadly. I almost lost control of the car. I'm not even gonna lie. I just hope the camera's tilted enough. I don't know if that makes any sense. Y'all can talk though, it doesn't matter. Fucking matter.
I was gonna say, yeah, use his look at this, bro. It's always that one slow person, like,
Like, come on, bro.
Yeah, Nyla.
Like, it's never any.
Yeah.
There's no need to be braking in the road. Yo, like, this is not real. This is real NPC footage right here. You can't.
Oh yeah, Nyla, like I was saying, I think in my class, no cocky shit, I think my car would probably be the best video.
Here. I just sent a video to the group chat of that 𝘗𝘔𝘌 that I caught.
Alright, man. No, but did you see that scat with the rear diffuser?
Was it black?
Yes.
That's the one I caught.
Yes, that shit was.
Yeah, that's the one we were talking about.
Video.
I thought it was a Hellcat.
No, it said 392. Oh shit. Damn, I've never seen you drive like this before.
Drive like what?
Drive like this, aggressive.
You talking about this one?
Yes, that shit was
I just sent
nice.
that video to the group chat.
Did you have fun?
Yeah, that was fun. It was cool.
But until you said there was road, like dips and shit.
Nah, like you could probably you probably be able to see it on my camera. Like my camera's going like.
Yeah.
Yeah, like I had 2 hands on the wheel, nigga. Like on the highway, I've gone like 140 with Roz and them. That was the road is like perfect, fine. Road is perfectly fine.
High speed was 145.
But on that road, I'm not going 140, bro. I'm up and down too. Yeah. But I mean, that's all we had to work with for real. We ain't really got like flat road. Unless we on the highway and we run it.
Virginia's kind of
I mean,
janky.
on the highway, so OD. Like, who the fuck is gonna stop for like a camera, you know?
Yeah, I guess.
That was a pretty good race. Question for the both of y'all. How did y'all enjoy the race?
The race was cool.
It was fun.
I enjoyed it though. Yeah, it was smooth.
My gas got killed though.
Yeah.
Was there any challenges when during the race or not?
Just the beginning, like all those cars behind us, like honking and shit. That shit was kind of blowing me.
I was telling you, like, just chill. They gonna honk regardless. It was only one person. The Camaro behind us, he was smooth. He didn't care.
You didn't care?
No, but that one.
It was like an SUV.
Truck. Yeah, it was a lady. In
Yeah, she was on your bumper. She was,
I was like, bitch, shut up, bro.
nah, because they were blowing at us before we even made the turn. Like, we have a green arrow that says we can go.
Yeah.
They gotta wait. So, the only thing for me, bro, was that bump in the road. You know.
Nick, Dame was talking about you almost hit a truck.
Huh?
Dame said you almost hit a truck.
I didn't almost hit a truck, but like I couldn't tell if you were gonna keep going.
Nah, I slowed down.
Okay, so yeah, I just cut in front of you.
Yeah, I was just like,
Micah has the POV.
Oh yeah.
yeah.
Yo, Micah, you trying to send the POV real quick?
Hey, come show
Yo, Micah, come
Yo,
on,
Micah,
man.
you almost died or something? Yo, Micah.
Why he's trolling? Let me see.
God, he's trolling.
No, come.
Let me see it.
Direct the video.
Yo, Micah, you good, bro? He's all quiet in there and shit.
Okay. Oh, you want me to turn it on?
Yo, Dave, look, that's the Camaro.
Oh, okay.
Man,
He not him.
I think that was Camaro that was behind us.
Yeah, it was.
Nigga, this is where I slowed down. That's where I slowed down, though. That's where I slowed down. I was like, after that bump hit me, I was like, in my head, I'm like, bro, I'm not trying to be like,
Wait, this is Micah?
I'm not trying.
You trying to send it?
Oh. Yeah, I'm like.
Yo, Micah, send it to me, fool. Yeah. You wanna go for it? I can do
Hell yeah.
this.
Huh?
Hey, good.